UWI student living arrangement under more scrutiny. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, morning. Tears flow at Green Pond High after student found dead.
Drama. Police clash with homosexuals on Halfway Tree Road.
Bankers defend fees after severe criticism.
Cremate or bury? Costs push Jamaicans to consider the alternatives.
In business news, tax them. JMA president tells government to go after businesses not paying their fair share.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you believe there are many government departments that could be merged to offer better service? And give examples.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.